Today we're going to talk about how to find evidence in our reading. When we're reading a junior grade book story, we always have a focus question.
And the focus question is usually an interpretive question, which means that it can have an opinion in it. It can not always be defined right away, like a thick or a fat question like we talk about in class. So it can have more than one answer. So in order to prove your answer, you need to find evidence from the text.
Okay, so for this story, our example of a focus question is, why does Fausto take the money from the couple? What do you think about that? Why do you think he took it?
The first answer that comes to my mind would be because he wants the guitar that badly.
I agree, that makes sense to me. Is there anything in this story that led you to believe that? How do you know that that's why he took the money?
Well, when I first looked through the book, I remember from reading it at the very beginning, he's talking about American Bandstand and how much he wants to someday play guitar and how he doesn't have a guitar. So that would probably be my first part of evidence. It's on the actual first page in the first paragraph of the story. He's talking about American Bandstand.
So your evidence is that because that's something that he wants so badly, because that's his dream, that's the reason why he took the money.
Yes.
Okay, is there another piece of evidence from the story that helps you come to that answer?
After talking about how much he wants a guitar, Fausto talks about how he wants to ask his parents for money, but he kind of is reluctant to do so because he knows their answer. And it even says, I know my mom's going to say money doesn't grow on trees, and what do you think we are, bankers? And besides, they hate rock music. So he gives a few reasons why he thinks his parents aren't going to want to give him money. And then on the next page, on page 8, he even says, he asks his mom, and she says, you know, that costs a lot of money. So Fausto kind of feels a little bit desperate to me, it seems. I'm kind of making an inference that he feels a little bit desperate because he knows his parents aren't going to give him money.
I really like how when you were giving your evidence, you referred to specific things in the text. You actually read back to me what was said. That proves that you're really looking in the text and you found your answer. So when you're answering a focus question, you come up with your initial answer, and then your evidence is as simple as asking, how do I know that? What in the story helped me to believe that?